Hi everyone, as promised, we're going to go over the week one learning materials to get you started. First of all, I'm on the home tab right now, but what I'd like you to do is go down to the modules section. And we've already covered all of the course home stuff here. And so we're going to scroll right down to our very first week, which is week one, starting the journey. What I want to point out to you is the overview tab. So if you click on the Overview tab, it talks about how to start your journey. It tells you the due dates for each assignment that's due. I think that this is a great way to keep you on track using your planner. Remember, you can use the course calendar, the information's in the syllabus, and now we can see it here broke down by week in the overview. Under the weekly learning outcomes, these are the goals, things that we're going to be learning this week. This particular week, we are talking about time management skills, and we're also going to be talking about the SWOT analysis, like your personal SWOT, your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. There's a little introduction here for you to read, and I want to point out that each week there's a video under the course overview. I cannot stress enough how important it is for you to watch these videos rather than listening to me talk over and over again going over what's due. It's really cool to click on these videos. They're very short between, this one's almost 4 minutes and I think the next week is like 4.5 minutes. But that's very beneficial to pay attention to these videos as it goes over all of the material in a cute way using the two characters here. So I highly recommend that you click on these, and then like in the upcoming weeks, what will happen is, like for example, in week 2, it's going to give you a review of course week 1, and then it'll talk about the expectations and what takes place during week 2. So a lot of good tips in here, very valuable 4 minutes of your day. So take the time to do that each week. Okay, so that is under the overview. And then you have your checklist that you should go through. Again, it just tells you what's due throughout the week. Your resources, this is the materials and things that you would use. You are going to be doing a starter kit. And then from the starter kit, you have, I think it's maybe 4 questions for the quiz 1 that has to relate to the starter kit. You're going to post your introduction here so that everybody can get to know one another. And then you do have a learning activity, which is your SWOT analysis that we just talked about. There's a template in there that you will need to download, and there's instructions on how to do that. You do need to download and save things before you can type on them and save your entry and before uploading. Then you'll have a quiz on whether or not you completed the SWOT analysis, a discussion forum here, and then another learning activity. That is your interactive time management, which is useful information, and then a quiz on the time management strategies. So that's all there is for week 1. I do, again, highly recommend that you go in and watch the videos under the course or weekly overviews each and every week. They are very beneficial. Make it a great week, everyone. Remember that I'm here for you. Although it's an online format, I am a real person, and I am here if you need me for anything at all. Okay? Take care.